Welcome to Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to hide last seen on WhatsApp for selected person. So it means by using this feature, you can hide your last seen only for a specific person and others will be able to see when you was online or not. So let's move to the process. First of all, open your WhatsApp. And after it open, tap on these three dots which are at the right top, and from here, tap on the last option settings, and you will see the option privacy on the second number, tap on this one. And here is the option last seen and online. So as you see, my last seen and online is set to everyone, means everyone will be able to see my last seen, so tap on this one. And the first option is everyone. The second option is my contacts. The third option is my contacts except, and the fourth one is nobody. So if you will tap on these options, my contacts, so all your contacts will be able to see when you was online, and the number, which are not in your mobile phone, they will not be able to see you was online or not. But it's not option. Our option is the third number, tap on this one. So as you see, my contact list is open. Now if I select persons like this, and then I will tap on the tick sign, which is at the right bottom. So without these three, everyone will be able to see my last seen. So if I want to change this, still I need to tap on this one, and again tap of this option. And from here I can change it, as I want. So if you use this feature, then the selected person will not be able to see when you was online or not. So it was a way by using the same way, you can hide your last seen for a selected person. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.